Hi everybody, Eric Hendrickson giving you the Mortgage Minute for the week of October 31st, 2022. Happy Halloween. Speaking of scary things, mortgage rates have certainly been at 20-year highs. It's been a point of conversation. What have we been seeing recently? Last week, one of the inflation gauges that the Fed loves to look at came out, the PCE, the Personal Consumption Expenditure, and it was kind of, not too hot, not too cold. Certainly for people looking for a downward trend in rates, it wasn't to the point that it would spur those conversations, but it certainly wasn't as high as we'd seen some previous ones. So the stock market actually had a pretty good week, kind of rallied on that news as well too. But this week is kind of the big week. Wednesday, the Federal Reserve meets. They're most likely going to announce that the Fed funds rate is going up another 75 basis points. That's the bad news. Good news is it's pretty much already priced into the mortgage rates that you see daily. What's going to be more important is the post-meeting news conference where Chair Powell is going to talk about his thoughts on inflation. Is he going to have a real hawkish tone, or is he going to talk about maybe moderating? Kind of the whisper conversations in the markets are that he's going to kind of tone down his rhetoric, kind of more of a wait-and-see approach, kind of let the market work through these most recent bumps to see if inflation is going to come down. We're not going to have to wait too long for updated numbers this Friday. We're going to see the payroll report. If there's a whole bunch of new jobs created higher than expectations, that's going to be inflationary pressure. That's not going to help things. And then next week, the Consumer Price Index, which is a huge inflation report. Again, this most recent bump this week isn't going to be showing on that, but it may give a little insight to what impact these previous Fed hikes have had on inflation. So a lot swirling around, certainly a lot of opportunity for volatility. So we're going to definitely watch the market and keep you posted, and we'll talk to you soon.